Have you ever visited a pharmacy?
Do you know how to ask for medicine in English?
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation at a pharmacy.
Let's begin.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today's lesson will help you learn useful English for visiting a pharmacy.
Hi, Paul. You don't look very well.
Hi, Emily. I have a bad headache.
Oh, no. Did you go to a pharmacy?
Not yet. Can you come with me?
Of course. Let's go. Hello. How can I help you today?
Hi. I have a headache.
How long have you had it?
Since this morning.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't.
Okay, I recommend these headache tablets.
How often should I take them?
Take one tablet every 6 hours after food.
Thank you.
Do you need to drink plenty of water? Yes, and get some rest too.
How much are the tablets?
They're $8.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here's your change.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better soon. Take care, Paul.
Thanks. I already feel better knowing what to do.
Great job listening.
Keep practicing English every day.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.